Hi guys, this is the third class of SEO full course. In this class, I will show how to keyword research by Google in several effective ways, both manually or by tools. First, we go to Google search. If you type something this search box, then Google will appear some search suggestion. Pet shop. Pet shop is our keyword. If we press here or click here, then Google will show us some suggestion. This is real users search suggestion. This is very effective and we can export from here. Click export. This search suggestion idea. Then pupil also asks box. After searching this word or after searching any keyword, this search box pupil also asks this question box. We often see this question box. If you expand one or more, then expand more. More will appear related this question. And this is an long tail idea. This question is a long tail idea. You can use it as a blog post. This long tail idea, this question. After scrolling or and bottom of the page, bottom of this page, pupil also search for this search box. Each search box is another keyword variation ideas. Google related searches. This is related searches. You can get an keyword variation ideas from here. If you click one of these search box, then Google will show us same pupil also asks box, this question box, and bottom of this page same keyword variation ideas. This is effective for keyword research. Then we go to Google Trends. Google Trends is another free tool. Click here and type here niche or subject or keyword. Pet shop is our keyword. Search term. In this tool, we can compare more items or more keyword, more niche from here, and change this location, time, past day or past 12 month, all categories web search. We can change it. We can get it seasonal keywords from here. August, 11 August, 8 December, 6 April, 3 August. We can get a seasonal idea of that keyword from here. And interested by sovereign, related queries, related topics from here. We can get it from here. Pet shop, related topics, Persian cat, rabbit, more. That has already break out this topic. Compare it we can make a comparison from here. Cat listening date is a related queries. Flipping my dog is another related queries of dog. From here, we can get an idea which keyword or which niche will be perfect for us. Google Keyword Planner. We can get an idea from Google Keyword Planner. In Google Keyword Planners tools, click tools, then Keyword Planner. In Keyword Planner, discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. We click discover new keywords. Type here our keyword. We can change its language and locations, or use your, if you have a website, then type here your web address, then get result. Appearance, we can change its appearance large. Refine keywords, expand all. Remove it from here. It shows us 1181 keyword ideas is available here. And location, we can change here, also change here location, Bangladesh country, or you can change as you need from here. Language is same also. Search engine, timing, click here, timing 12 months or last month or custom or last 24 months, 23 to July 23 to June 2025. Then we can add this filter. Add filter. Top of page bit. Click here. Amount. Apply. 20 of 1181 keywords ideas showing us. We can add more filters or broaden your search from here if you want. Or we can select here 1, 2 more words, then copy it from here, or more add as negative keywords. Remove it. We have 20 keywords. Okay, now we export it from here. Export. Click here. Google Sheet or CSV. CSV. Click. Preparing report. Click here. This keyword. USD. Remove it. We can get an idea, take a topic or niche from here. Then Google Search Console. If you have a website, then you can get it. Google Search Console. Let's start now. In Google Search Console, overview, insight, then performance. Click performance. Performance. In performance, queries, pages, countries, lots of information you can get from Google Search Console. If you use this step, you can get free keyword research by Google. Bye bye. See you next.